Hi everyone. Welcome again to my channel. Today I am going to show you a tutorial on how to make a simple yet attractive waterfall card. Okay? Waterfall card is a pull-out card which has many layers on which you can write messages or even decorate with different designs. Once you pull it out, it opens like a waterfall. Let's see the materials required. We need normal color papers like this, and I have used black color chart paper for the base of the waterfall. This paper is thin compared to chart paper which is thick. And normal sketch pen, ruler, pencil, glue and scissors. Now I am going to cut square pieces of yellow and red color 5 centimeters for this yellow color. Can you see 5 centimeter length and 5 centimeter width. I'm going to cut 12 square pieces of them, and red 4 centimeters length and width. This also I'll be cutting 12 of them. Here I have taken 12 pieces of these squares. You can choose to take any number of squares above 4 depending on the number of layers you need for the waterfall card. Now I'm going to fold it into half so that I can cut this piece into a heart shape. Hold it properly. And cut this into a half heart shape. Just like this. I'll be cutting this red piece also in the same manner. I have made 12 heart-shaped pieces of both the colors. After this, I'm going to decorate this yellow piece. I'll be doing a very simple decoration with a normal black sketch pen. You can choose to decorate with pearls, decorative pearls, or stickers, or colorful pencils, or anything of your choice. I'm doing something like a mehendi design. It looks more attractive when you stick some pearls, shining pearls, or you can even use glitter pens. So friends, I am giving you some ideas how to decorate the border. I have completed the decoration part also. I completed the remaining 11 of the heart shapes. Now I'll be sticking this red heart inside the yellow one. Isn't it looking pretty? I've made 12 layers of our waterfall card. Now we have to cut a strip of chart paper which is 5 centimeter width and 50 centimeter length. I'll be sticking these layers onto this. I'll be taking one. Now we have to keep one layer of a waterfall card like this. Be sure that the tip of this heart shape is approximating the bottom line of our chart paper strip. I'm going to draw a line just like this. This line should be approximating the upper border of our heart shape. Now I'll be marking 11 points which is 1.5 centimeters apart. Just like this. Now I'm going to connect these markings with lines. Can you see which is parallel to the first line? And we have to fold backwards from the last line. I'm going to fold each and every line. I'll show you like this. from each and every line we have drawn, we have to fold like this. Now take one layer, and this step is very important. You have to apply glue only on this marked area, only on this marked area. Can you see the curved area? There you should apply glue. We should not apply glue on any other region, only here, only the curved area where we are marking, we have to apply the glue. I'll be marking in each and every line. No need to apply so much of glue, just apply the required amount. You can see I'm using only a little bit glue, and you have to stick it neatly without spreading the glue into other parts. Just check whether the tip of the heart shape is exactly in the center of our chart paper strip. You can stick each layer in the same manner. Just apply some glue and paste it like this. And make sure the tip is approximating or in a line with the tip of the previous heart. See, our beautiful layers are all done. After this, I'll be taking a strip of chart paper which is about 9 cm length and 2 cm width. Now please listen carefully. I am going to paste this strip of chart paper like this. Can you see? I'll be keeping it down. Now I'm going to put some glue on both the ends. I'll be securing it properly. Just fold it like this and secure properly like this. Carefully listen this part and do properly. Now we are going to cut the extra strip of chart paper. So I'll be cutting it in this shape. You can cut in your preferred shape. I will show you how to pull. You can even write "pull me" over here so that the people you are gifting can understand we have to pull here. Here we can write messages like happy birthday or anniversary wishes or private messages, anything you can write, or you can even draw something. A beautiful waterfall card is ready. Now I am going to do some decoration work. I am going to put a hole with a pencil and I will be tying a ribbon. So I am going to insert this ribbon through this hole. This is completely optional. I just did it for making it a little more attractive. I'll be tying it in the shape of a bow. Isn't it looking pretty? Now I'll show you how it works. Wow, isn't it? I have stuck this waterfall card into another piece of chart paper. How was it, guys? Hope you all liked it. This is very easy to make. We need only normal household items to make this normal chart paper. And you can see how I have stuck this into another piece of chart paper. You have to stick only on this part So that was a mistake I had done previously. So only stick on the area I have shown you, because if we apply glue on the back side, the waterfall, the layers won't move. So it is always better to stick particularly on that area. Friends, hope you like this tutorial. Please do try this DIY waterfall card. You can make this as a standalone personalized gift or include it in a scrapbook, explosion box, or even in greeting cards. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.